Good evening once again. Panimalar Institute of Technology, ASTE Prerana GATE Training Program, Subject Engineering Mathematics, Topics Calculus 2. So in the last class, we have discussed about limits and continuity, then maximum minimum of the function, maximum minimum of the single variable as well as two variable problems we have discussed. Now we continue. Here, Taylor series based problems. So we all know that the Taylor series f of x equal to f of a plus x minus a divided by 1 factorial into f dash of a plus x minus a whole square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus x minus a whole cube divided by 3 factorial f triple dash of a plus and so on. So at x equal to a, the Taylor series for the given function f of x. So that f dash of x, f double dash of x, f triple dash of x are derivative, successive derivative at x equal to what is the value? That value we have to replace, we'll get the Taylor series. The special case of the Taylor series is called the Maclaurin series. Replace a by 0, we'll get the Maclaurin series. A equal to 0 in the Taylor series, you'll get Maclaurin series. So that is f of x equal to f of a plus x into f dash of 0 plus x square divided by 2 factorial f double dash of 0 plus x cube by 3 factorial into f double dash of 0 plus x power 4 by 4 factorial f fourth derivative of 0. So and so on you'll get. So here for this we have to know that some of the series, expansion. So e power x equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial and so on. So instead of x, the same series we can use minus x also. So that means instead of x, replace as a minus x in the right hand side. For example, e power minus x, it will be 1 minus x plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial and so on. Like it will move on. For sine also we can write it as a series. So we have to remember is a sine and cos. So sine x equal to x minus x cube by 3 factorial minus plus x power 5 divided by 5 factorial minus x power 7 by 7 factorial plus. So here odd power of x will get and alternate minus or plus will come. Okay. So that is x cube, x power 5, x power 7, x power 9, x power 11, and the denominator corresponding factorial. So we all know that 1 factorial is 1. So alternate minus will come. So that is the sin x. Similarly for cos x, even power of x will get first one as a constant, pure 1. That is 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial minus x power 6 by 6 factorial plus x power 8 by 8 factorial minus x power 10 by 10 factorial. Like that, you will get the series. And log 1 plus x can be denoted, base e, x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 plus and so on, like we'll get. And some of the binomial series frequently we have used in the lower classes. So do remember that binomial series is 1 plus x power minus 1. Similarly for 1 minus x power minus 1. So for 1 plus x power minus 1, here alternate minus will come. So for odd power of x, the term will be minus. So there is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x power 4 minus x power 5 and so on. We'll get. If it is for 1 minus x power minus 1, all the term as a positive. 1 minus x whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 plus x power 5 and so on. And power minus 2, 1 plus x power minus 2, this way we'll get, that is 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube plus 5x power 4 plus 6x power 5, like that we'll get. So alternate minus will come. Okay. If it is 1 minus x whole power minus 2, all the terms Individual terms will be a positive. So that means 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus 5x power 4 plus 6x power 5. Like that you'll get. So these series we may use. So do remember. So some basic results, then move on to the gate problems. So in the Taylor series of f of x equal to e power x about the point x equal to 2, yeah, the coefficient of x minus 2 power 4 is this kind of questions. In the expansion of the series, Taylor series, what will be the coefficient of the x minus 2 power 4? So that means in the binomial series, a equal to 2. The point is a equal to 2. In the binomial series, we have to write what will be the coefficient. That means along with this one, I mean 1 by 4 factorial into f4 fourth derivative at 2. Okay, so that's what they have mentioned. That is 1 by 4 factorial f fourth derivative of 2. So we have to find the fourth derivative. So given function is e power x. E power x, how many times we can differentiate? We will get the same. Okay, e power x as a e power x. Okay, so 4 times when you differentiate it, you will get the same function. So hence e power x will get substitute the value x by 2 that is mentioned like that. It's not in the form of division, just mention substitution in place of x. So there is x by 2, you'll get 1 by 4 factorial into e power 2. E power 2 as it is, take it up. Okay, so 4 factorial expanded, so 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, so that is 24. So the coefficient of x minus 2 power 4 is e power 2 divided by 24. Okay, so one more problem. In the Taylor series of f of x, e power x plus sin x, e power x plus sin x. The sin x is not in the power. Okay, sin x is usual one, not in the power. Okay, about x minus pi, the coefficient of x minus pi whole square. That is x equal to pi. Okay, x equal to pi. I mean, instead of a, small a, we have to replace pi. Here, coefficient of square. So that means in the denominator, 2 factorial, second derivative. So 1 by 2 factorial, we have double dash of x by pi. Okay, this is what I have put where I kept the cursor. Do follow. So 1 by 2 factorial f double dash of pi. So second derivative we have to identify for the given function. First derivative for the given function, differentiate e power x as a e power x, sin x as a cos x, sin x as a cos x. Okay, so first derivative. Second derivative, once again differentiate, that is e power x as it is, e power x as a e power x derivation, cos x as a minus sin x. That's why they have put the second derivative as e power x minus sin x. Here, substitute x by pi. So that is e power pi minus sin pi. So sin pi is 180 degree. So sin pi value is 0. E power pi as it is, keep it. Okay. So as it is, keep that value. So that means if you want the exact value, mostly they won't mention the that decimal value. As it is, they will mention. If required, what will be that? 3.14 e power 3.14. Use it in the calculator. But anyhow, in the GATE exam, they won't allow to use calculator mostly. So this kind of results only you will get. So hence, e power pi by 2 will be the answer. So one more question, get question. The Taylor series expansion of sin x about x equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. So that value we have to use. So f of x about the point pi by 6. So that means small a as pi by 6 we have to replace. So find the first write the series, then find the derivative, ordinary function only. So that is a sin x as a cos x differentiation as a minus sin x. Then substitute the value pi by 6. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degree. So sin 30 degree is nothing but 1 by 2. First, direct function value f of pi by 2. Next, f dash of pi by 2, cos pi by 2. sorry, cos pi by 6, sorry, pi by 6, that is root 3 by 2 is the value. Cos 30 degree root 3 by 2. If you have a doubt, you may check with your calculator. You may get the same value. It may be in the decimal you will get. Okay. And f double dash of a, that is minus sin x. So minus 1 by 2 will get. Okay, sine 30 minus of sine 30. So there is minus 1 by 2 will get. So if required, you can put the next derivative and the value. But in for 2 marks, this value is more than enough. So there is sine x, that is 1 by 2, x minus pi by 6 into f dash of pi by 6, that is root 3 by 2 plus x minus pi by 6 whole square divided by 2 factorial. The corresponding second derivative value as a minus 1 by 2. Okay, so that acquired expand and multiply. So in that option is there. If required, you can expand it and check which one is the suitable option. Okay, otherwise, as it is, you may leave. Ask your classmates to join, some of them at least. Very few only joined. Okay. Limit of the following series as x approaches pi by 2. So f of x equal to x minus x cube divided by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial minus x power 7 by 7 factorial plus and so on. So the given one is nothing but sin x series. So if x approaches pi by 2, what will be the value of the series? So that is take it up series equivalent function, that is sin x. In the problem, they will give only the series. So we have to remember we call that which is a suitable function. So that is sin x is a suitable function. So limit x tends to pi by 2 replace for the function sin x. So that is sin pi by 2. So we all know that sin 90 degree is equal to 1. The Taylor series expansion of sin x by x minus pi at x equal to pi. So the given function is sin x by x minus pi, x equal to pi, what will be the value? So the value of small a equal to pi, 180 degree. So sin x by x minus pi, so 1 divided by x minus pi into sin pi plus x minus pi. So the corresponding first derivative, they have put that as a cos pi plus x minus pi square by 2 factorial into minus sin pi. I mean derivative, then applied the substitute the function. Okay. So when you do that, you will get 1 divided by x minus pi. The sin pi value, I mean sin 180 degree, so value 0. Cos pi value minus 1. You replace it x minus pi into minus 1. Then x minus pi whole square by 2 factorial. Again, we are getting sin pi. Whether that is minus sin pi or plus sin pi, that won't be a problem. So that is 0. So again, you'll get cos will get. So that is cos pi as a minus 1. So minus or minus plus. That's why they have put as a x minus pi whole cube by 3 factorial. So here the derivative they have applied. That outside value 1 divided by x minus pi multiplied inside, we will get the series minus 1. First one 0 eliminated. Next one will convert as minus 1 because x minus pi in the numerator. X minus pi, denominator x minus pi getting cancelled. Talking about this term. Next one x minus pi whole square by 2 factorial into 0 eliminated. Next one x minus pi whole cube by 3 factorial. So it seems we are getting next one x minus pi power 4 by 5 divided by 5 factorial constant as a 1 we get with the denominator eliminated we will get that x minus pi power 5 convert as a 4. Then replace x minus pi as a t. You will get the function sine x divided by x minus pi as a sine pi plus t divided by t. That is minus sine t divided by t. So as per concept sine 90 minus theta, that is minus sine theta. So using that concept, we will get as a minus sine t by t. Sine sine 180 plus theta. So sine 90 minus theta as it is. I mean, we convert as a cos it, but here the second one you will get negative. Okay, that is minus sine t by t. About t equal to 0, for sine t expansion series they have mentioned that the denominator t they put it in the front side as a common value, then multiply 1 by 1 by t inside, you will get minus 1 plus t square by 3 factorial minus t power 4 by 5 factorial, and replace t by x minus pi, will get this series. So two ways we can approach the series for the given problem sin x by x minus pi at the point x equal to pi. So the Taylor series expansion of 3 sin x plus 2 cos x is 3 sin x plus 2 cos x. So sin x series, cos x series, just to recall the formula and simplify these terms. So sin x formula x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial. Next one minus and so on. Next plus 2 twice into 1 minus of x square by 2 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial minus x power 6 by 6 factorial, like we get. So we consider only the three terms, first three terms. Okay. So multiply inside first, I mean outside constant multiply inside. So any constant term, when you check it in the second term, we'll get the constant 2 into 1. So that's why they have put first term as a 2. So we have to check x power 1. So that is no x in the second term. So only in the first part we have x. So that is 3x we'll get. Next square term we have to check. That is the second inside the bracket. The term is that. So multiply 2. So that is 2 and the denominator 2 factorial simplified. You will get minus x square. That's why they have put minus x square as the third term. Next x cube. X cube only in the first inside the bracket. So multiply with 3. You will get 3 into x cube by 3 factorial. 3 into 2 in the denominator will get 3 getting cancelled. You will get x cube by 2. So minus x cube by 2. Next x power 4 we can check, and x power 5 also. Combine it, you will get the series like this. So 2 plus 3x minus x square minus x cube power 4. Next x power 4 divided by something, you may get it. Okay. Okay, so differential calculus part over. Next integral calculus. Okay, the calculus, integral calculus we have to see. So we all know that the basic formulas, definite integrals, indefinite integrals, without limit you will get indefinite integrals. So we have to remember the formulas firstly, then move on to the problems. So here x power n as x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, different integration. 1 by x as a log x, 1 by x square as a minus 1 by x, root x as a minus 2 by 3 into root x. Okay. Actually, that is 1 by 2 root x is more than enough. Root x differentiation, 1 by 2 root x in the denominator. Okay, then e power x as a e power x. If it is e power minus x, minus e power minus x will get. A power x can be written as a, I mean, corresponding integration. A power x by log base e a. Okay, sometimes we may get it this kind of function a power x as a power x divided by log base e a. Okay, the integration logarithm is base e. And then integral of 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square is sine inverse of x. Next, integral of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x. Then integral of 1 by x into root of x square minus 1, that is secant inverse of x. Otherwise, some more things it is given. We keep it in the first part only. And the integral 1 by root of a square minus x square as a sine inverse of x by a. Then integral 1 divided by root of x square minus a square cos h inverse of x by a. Next, 1 by root of a square minus x square as a sine h inverse of x by a. H means a hyperbolic function. Sin x as a minus cos x integration, cos x as a sin x, then secant square x as a tan x integration. So integral cosecant square x as a minus cot x, integral secant x tan x as a secant x, integral cosecant x cot x as a minus cosecant x. Then integral f dash of x by f of x equal to log f of x. Okay, these are indefinite integrals, so plus c automatically you have to put. Integral of one function in the form of numerator denominator. If numerator is derivative of the denominator function, for that integral is nothing but log of f of x will get. So tan x, other things we have seen. Then in other way they have mentioned. So tan x you can write as a sin x of the cos x. Using that above concept, you will get minus log cos x. That is nothing but that front side minus, make it as a power minus 1. So that is cos power minus 1. That is 1 by cos x. That is nothing but secant x. Okay, these are the one kind of understanding for the integral. Integral of tan x, log secant x. So integral cot x, log sin x. Okay. Next is secant x. That is log secant x plus tan x. Integral cosecant x is log modulus of cosecant x minus cot x. Then integration by parts. So two different functions in the multiplication. That is UV formula, chain rule formula. Otherwise, integral by parts. So integral UV dx, that is integral, u into integral v dx minus integral u dash into integral v dx d. So otherwise, you can write that one as a formula u v1 minus u dash v2 u double dash v3 u triple dash v4 and so on. Here v1 v2 v3 v4 are integration. v1 is one time integration, v2 is two times integration, v3 is 3 times integration. Like you can take, otherwise v1 is integration of v, v2 is integral of v1, v3 is integral of v2, v4 is integral of v3. We all know that the dash of derivative. So u dash is first derivative, u double dash is second derivative, u triple dash is third derivative. So one problem using that integration by parts is given. So log x dx integration log x by parts. I mean, directly you can write the formula, but actually they are using integration by parts. Okay, some standard question, this one. Integral of log x, that is e power x into x minus 1. So that is using the concept of integration by parts or chain rule integration. So that is u is equal to log x and v is equal to simply dx. Take it up. So u v1 minus u dash v2. Okay, that derivatives will continue till we are going to get 0. So that is first log base e x, then integral dx equal to x. So first term you will get as a x log base e x will get minus integration derivative of u, that is log x as a 1 by x. Then v1 you have to put, so that is integral 1 by x into x. That is eliminate numerator denominator x, you will get as a x. Okay, so that is you can get x as a common, x inside the bracket log base e x minus 1. That is the integration of log e power x dx. Similarly, we can use integration by parts, integral x square e power x dx and integral x e power x. Integral x e power x, two terms will get integral x square e power x dx, first three term of the chain. That means u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3. Next, the derivative will be 0. Okay, so first three terms will get. So u is equal to x square, v is equal to e power x. Like you have to take. If you take ulta, you won't get any finite value. U is equal to x square, v is equal to e power x. Only you have to take. So u is equal to x square, u dash is 2x, u double dash is 2. Integration or derivation, but here e power x is, we have to take integration. Anyhow, no value change. Integral of e power x, e power x. Integral e power x, e power x. Okay. So how many times you integrate, whatever it may be, you will get the same function. Okay. Integration as well as differentiation for the function e power x. So now next, yes, we get question integral minus 1 to 1 by x square dx. Okay, so sometimes you may think about log, it will confuse. That's why this kind of question they are asking. So one more question. So that is 1 by x square dx. So take this denominator x square to numerator in the form of x power n, using the x power n concept. X power n integration is that side I have mentioned, x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So using that formula, you will get x power minus 1 by minus 1. So for this, apply the limit minus 1 to 0. I mean 0 to that x power minus 1, they take it to the denominator. You will get as a 1 by x. So 1 by 0 infinity. So hence we are getting the value infinity for the interval minus 1 to 1. Only this problem, they break the given interval for the negative value to positive value equivalent case. They break it and apply it, we are getting this value. So only this problem we have to use. There will pi by 2 to pi by 2 minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 x cos x dx. So f of x equal to x cos x, the given function is odd function. So we have to know that odd function, even function concept. That is nothing but given function f of x. In that f of x, replace x by minus x. If you get the, after replacing x by minus x, if you get the same function, we call it as a even function. If you get as a minus f of x, what is that? F of minus x equal to minus f of x. Okay, in that way, if you get it, minus is interchangeable, either this place or here, minus of f of minus x. Like if you get it, that is odd function. Even function is nothing but f of x equal to f of minus x. So in the given function, replace x by minus x, you will get same function, that is called the even function. But in the odd function, you will get f of minus x equal to minus f of x. Minus in the front side, you can common. Okay. Otherwise, if you do not get this way, that means either odd or even function. Some of the functions are neither odd nor even functions. Yes, exist. Not all the functions, break it only the two categories. Third category, neither nor, neither even nor odd. Okay, some of the functions you cannot claim that is a even function or odd function. It is not even, not odd function exists. Okay. So the given function is odd function. For the odd function, integration won't be a zero. You will get a function if the limit is equal value. In the limit equal and opposite value, you will get value zero. I mean, after integrating, apply the limit. Any limit equal value, whether that is -1 to 1, minus pi to pi, minus pi to plus pi, minus 2 to plus 2, like that, equal and opposite value. In the limit, if you have, there you can apply the even odd function concept. If the function is odd, integral value is 0. If the function is even, twice 0 to that value you can write. Okay. So twice, if this function is even, for example, in this case, instead of x cos x, we have x sin x, that will be even function. Okay, so we know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So, okay, keep it in mind here. The reason for the odd. Okay, simply cos x is the even function, sin x is odd function. Sin x is odd function, cos x is even function separately. But here two functions involving. That means x into cos x, multiplication of x into cos x, two functions. So combination of two functions. In that term, is that possible to identify the even or odd? In this manner, we have to identify. So here it's end up with odd function. So integral value 0. If it is an even function, the integral value becomes twice integral 0 to that positive number. For this case, integral 0 to pi by 2. If it is the first problem, 0 to 1 twice, like you can write. Okay. Uh, First function is even function. Instead of this, you can do as a integral 0 to 1, positive 0 to 1, 1 by x square dx, because f of x equal to f of minus x. So you can use the first problem also even and even odd function concept. Okay, so for that also we end up with infinity. Okay, we end up with infinity. So that's it. So now next, x e for x limit is 0 to 1. For this, not required. Even function, odd function, not required. If limit is -1 to 1, you can check whether it is even or odd. If it is odd function, integral value is 0. If it is even function, twice 0 to positive value, 0 to 1. Based on the where the function defined. -1 to 1 means the function even function, so twice 0 to 1, like you can convert. Okay. For the second problem, it will be twice 0 to pi by 2 if it is a even function. Okay. So if neither nor means that directly you have to integrate and apply the limit. Neither even nor odd. Okay. So whatever be the limit. Okay, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 or minus pi to pi. Directly integrate and apply the limit. Identify the value. Okay. So now integral 0 to pi by 2. I mean third problem, get 10. So that is integral x e power x dx. Integration by Pond's chain rule or Bernoulli's formula. Using that, u is equal to x, d is equal to e power x. u v1, u v1. So u equal to x, v1 is given v function integrate once. That is e power x. Next, u dash derivative of x is 1. V2 different integration of e power x is e power x. That's why we are getting where I get the cursor that integration will get by parts and apply the limit 0 to 1. So first one, apply the upper limit, you will get 1 into e power 1 minus e power 1. So 0, okay, e minus e, 0. Lower limit x by 0, first term getting cancelled, second term minus e power 0. So lower limit minus and the term minus become as a plus e power 0. E power 0 value 1. So final value is 1. Next one, integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x plus I sin x divided by cos x minus I sin x dx. Consider that given was I. So here replace numerator by e power ix and denominator by e power minus x. So exponential function, we can write e power I ax, I constant a x equal to cos ax plus I sin ax. Complex function, otherwise complex number function. That is e power ix equal to cos x plus I sin x. E power minus ix equal to cos x minus I sin x. So general formula e power iax equal to cos ax plus I sin ax, like you can expand. So that is take to the, I mean, simplify this e power ix denominator e power minus ix. Just like that, you cannot simplify. I mean, getting cancelled. No. So take the denominator to the numerator, e power ix. The denominator negative becomes as a power plus. So e power ix plus sorry into e power ix power added. So you will get as a e power 2ix dx. So that is integrate. You will get e power 2ix divided by 2i. Okay, x variable, 2i constant. Usually exponential function way you have to integrate. You will get e power I to x divided by 2i. Limit 0 to pi by 2. Is wrongly put. Upper limit as lower limit, lower limit as upper limit they have put, but change it. Okay, upper limit is pi by 2. So that is x by pi by 2 e power 2i into pi by 2. That 2 getting cancelled, you will get e power I pi divided by 2i, then minus e power 0 by 2i. Okay, it is not pi. It is not pi. Simply 2i only in both the terms will get. So e power I pi. So like e power ix as a cos x plus I sin x. Instead of x, we have to write as a pi. That is cos pi plus I sin pi. Okay, cos pi plus I sin pi. So we know that sin pi, that is sin 180 degree, 0. Cos pi as it is, they have mentioned in the screen. So that is cos pi value minus 1. So that's what I have put it in the next where I kept the cursor. You can see it. Minus 1 by 2i, minus 1 by 2i. That's equal to minus 2 by 2i. So there is 2 getting cancelled. That is minus 1 by I. That's equal to I. So I is the integral value. So I is nothing but small I, complex number value, that is root of minus 1. Root of minus 1. So log x concept integral 1 to e root x into log x dx. Ln x consider like log. Okay, integrate the same manner. U is equal to log x, v is equal to root x, like they are taking. Okay, important. If you take ulta, you'll get problem. So that is u is equal to ln x, that is log x. V is equal to root x. That means x power 1 by 2. So u into v1, u as it is. That means ln x, that is log x. Root x means x power 1 by 2. It is in the form of x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 formatted integration. So x power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3 by 2. That's why we are getting x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. See that where I kept the cursor. That first term integration over, limit they have mentioned as a 1 to e. Now second term integral 1 to e for log x integrate as a 1 by x. Sorry, differentiate, you will get 1 by x. Next integration of x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, integrate once again. So x power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 into inside the bracket 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay, that's you will get it. So I mean, you can do directly, but here uv minus integral vu form they have used. That in the third step you can see. Third step, second part 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2. Oh, okay. So the integration inside we have one correction. I mean, we have to simplify 1 by x into x power 3 by 2. Simplify, you'll get x power 1 by 2. Okay, so that simplification, when you do that, you'll get 2 by 3 into x power 1 by 2. So use in the form of uv minus vdu form. That is good. So now integrate x power 1 by 2, that is x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. That other value 2 by 3, the denominator 3 by 2 is reciprocal 2 by 3, they have put. And the first part they have applied the limit, upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit x by e, x by e, replace it. Lower limit x by 1. In that log 1 value 0, that's why they have put the lower limit as a 0. Log 1 value 0. Ln x is nothing but base 10 logarithms. But in the our general integration differentiation log is base e. Okay, base e. Keep it in your mind. So that is 2 by 3 e power 3 by 2. First constant. Second integration, we are getting it as a 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, 1 to e. Replace it, substitute, and simplify. You'll get 2 by 9 e power 3 by 2 plus 4 by 9 as a final answer we get. Next one, integral 0 to pi by 6 cos pi by cos power 4 3 theta sine cube 6 theta d theta. So that is 3 theta equal to t. So theta is equal to t by 3. So d theta is equal to dt by 3. Convert to 2t. Instead of theta, convert to t before you integrate. So that is integral 0 to pi by 2. Conversion from theta equal to 0, replace it in the assumption, you'll get t equal to 0. That means t is equal to 3 theta. In that, replace theta by 0, you'll get the t limit, that is 0. Here, theta limit is pi by 6, corresponding t limit. Replace it in the 3 theta is equal to t. So that is 3 into pi by 6. So you get as a pi by 2. So t equal to pi by 2. So it's convert to the standard form. So that is intervals 0 to pi by 2 cos 4 t cos 4 power 4 t 9 into sine cube 2t. Okay, sine cube 2t. So that sine cube 2t, that cube is take it as a power cube. Sine 2t, that's equal to 2 sine t cos t. So using the formula, you will get 2 sine t cos t whole power 3. So apply the cube inside. You will get cos same group. You will get cos power 70 sine cube t dt. That is 8 by 3 constant outside. So interval 0 to pi by 2 cos 7 power 70 and sine cube power sine cube t dt. So that is outside constant as it is. So using the formula in the 0 to pi by 2 cos mx, otherwise cos m theta sine n theta d theta. When you do that m minus n, expand it, numerator denominator, and simplify, you will get as a 1 by 50. Okay, we'll continue. So there is 0 to infinity e power minus y cube y power 1 by 2 dy integration value. So directly you cannot integrate and apply the limit. Integration by parts as well as substitution method only we have to apply. Otherwise you won't get any finite value. So that is y cube is equal to t. Substitution method replace y cube by t. So that is integrate. So 3y square into dy. Y cube as a 3y square into dy. That's equal to dt. T differentiate, that is dt. Then this one we can replace, that is y by t power 1 by 3. That means this y cube is equal to t. The cube take it the other side. Cube the root we have to take. So y replaced by cube the root we have to apply for t. Substitution for y power 1 by 2 dy. So replace y by t power 1 by 3 if you have y cube as a t. So small rearrangement in the step 3 y square dy equal to dt. In that 3 take it to the right hand side, and this y square break it as a y power 1 by 2 into y power 3 by 2. Got it? Once again, this 3y square, this 3 you can cross multiply, it's converted as a 1 by 3. This y square, you have to make it as a y power 1 by 2 into y power 3 by 2. So you will get y square. So the left hand side, keep it y power 1 by 2. Remaining that y power 3 by 2 cross multiply, it will come to the denominator and take it to the numerator. It's become as a y power minus 3 by 2. This y square write as a y power 1 by 2 into y power 3 by 2. That y power 3 by 2 take it to the other side in the denominator, that is 1 by 3 times of y power 3 by 2. But y we need it to the numerator, that's why we make it as a y power minus 3 by 2. Okay. So in that replace y by t. So that is y cube, we can replace t. So t power minus 1 by 2 will get 1 by 3 t minus 1 by 2. That power minus 3 by 2, break it as a y cube, close the bracket, again in the power as a minus 1 by 2. So you end up with as a t power minus 1 by 2 into dt. So substitution for y power 1 by 2 dy as a 1 by 3 into t power minus 1 by 2 dt. E power minus y cube you can write as a e power minus t. That's what they have mentioned in the next step. So it has 0 to infinity e power minus t, t power minus 1 by 2 dt. So 1 by 3 interval 0 to infinity e power minus t, t power 1 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 dt. Here another concept they have used, that is gamma function, gamma beta function. This simple is you have to read as a gamma. So gamma 1 by 2 is nothing but root pi. Gamma 1 by 2 is nothing but root pi. Gamma value is nothing but gamma n. Instead of this 1 by 2, if it is n, we can write gamma n is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus x, x power n minus 1, like you will get. Once again, gamma function, gamma n equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus x into x power n minus 1. That is the gamma function. That is like formula I have to remember. Okay, little difficult only, but we have to use here. Otherwise, by substitution, a lengthy procedure will get. Remember, directly you will get the value. And gamma 1 by 2 equal to root pi. Okay, gamma, if it is an integer, that is equal to n minus 1 factorial. If we get gamma 2, so that is equal to n minus 1 factorial. So that is 1 factorial. If we get this reverse L, this reverse L should be read as gamma. So gamma, if it is integer, n minus 1 factorial, we can put. If it is gamma 5, that is 4 factorial. Okay, gamma 5 means what? 4 factorial, n minus 1 factorial. Okay, gamma of that integer. So we know that what is it? Reciprocal or decimal factorial does not exist. So for that, we have that lengthy procedure to identify this root pi a. So apply directly that gamma 1 by 2 as root pi. Next, solve that problem. 1 by root 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus x square by 2 dx. So minus to plus equal value, and in the function x square is there. Okay, so here we can convert to even function, odd function concept. So seeing that, automatically that is even function because x square. As per the concept of even function, f of x equal to f of minus x. Okay, f of x equal to f of minus x. If we get it, we can call it as a even function. So this one is even function because replace x by x, sorry, minus x, you will get the same function. What is f of x in this problem? Small f of x equal to e power minus x square by 2. Replace x by minus x, that is f of minus x. You will get the same function. Okay, e power of minus x whole square. So you will get same function e power minus x square by 2. So even function. So twice you can write. Before that, we simplify. As it is directly integration takes complicated calculation. So instead of that, we have to go for this substitution method. Here, put x square by 2 is equal to t. Then cross multiply 2. Then apply the integration. So x dx equal to dt. Oh, sorry. That is the x square differentiate. You will get 2x by 2. That 2 getting cancelled. You will get as a x dx equal to dt. Okay. So from the assumption t is equal to x square by 2. So for x, that is nothing but root 2t. For x square by 2 equal to t. So x square equal to 2t. So x equal to root 2t. Okay. The same term, take it up. From this, identify x equal to what? So cross multiply 2. So you'll get x square equal to 2t. So x equal to plus or minus root will get, take it a positive value. So that is root 2t. For root 2t dx equal to dt. We need substitution for dx so that root 2t cross multiply. So you'll get as a dx equal to 1 by root 2t. That denominator t also they take it to the denominator, sorry, numerator, convert as a t power minus 1 by 2 into dt. So hence we'll get this function for dx substitution. Other this minus x square by 2 we can replace as a t. By root 2 into t. So you will get 1 by 2 root by integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus t 1 by root 2 t power minus 1 by 2 dt is equal to 1 by root pi integral 0 to infinity e power minus t power 1 by 2 into t. Okay, so that is a gamma function. In the step we have come. So that is using like a previous one. So e power minus